So hi all, welcome to another video session. In this video, we will solve one more LeetCode problem of medium type. The problem is product price at a given date. So in this particular problem, we have a products table in which the product ID and the change date is the primary key of this particular table. And each row of this table indicates the price of some product was changed to a new price at some date. So we need to write a solution to find the prices of all products on 16th of August 2019. So assume the price of all the products before any change is 10. Okay, so in this particular problem, right, if you just look at the product IDs over here, right, 1 2 1 1 2 3, right, for every unique product ID, distinct product IDs, okay, we need to find out what is the last, that is the last change date. If the last change date is less than or equal to 16th of August 2019, we need to consider that the rest of them will be discarded. So if you look at the dates, right, 18th of August 2019 or 17th of August 2019, these both values, they can be discarded. The only data set that we will be left over with is these four data. Now in these particular four data, we have two unique product IDs, that is 1 and 2. So for one product ID, right, what is the last, that is what is the latest change date? It is on 16th of August 2019. And what is the new price? That is 35. So 35 has been reported in the output for product ID 1. For product ID 2, since there is only one transaction for the date which is less than 16th of August 2019, so 50 has been reported here. Okay, and in the output, if you look at output product ID 3, the price is written as 10, because here it is mentioned that if there are prices which do not fall in on this date, which fall after this date, so we need to assume that the price of all products before any change is 10. Okay, and with this, the third value, the value for the product ID 3 is actually 10. Okay, so with this we get an idea, right, we get an idea that we can actually use joins, okay, and we can use union. Okay, so how we are going to use this, let's see that. Okay, so first and foremost, what we first need to do is we need to get the data, right, where the change date is less than or equal to 16th of August 2019, and we need to order it by the product ID in ascending order. Okay, so let us do it. So select everything, okay, from the products table, okay, where the change underscore date is less than equal to your 2019 08 16. Okay, and then order by product ID in ascending order. Okay, so let us run this one. And you will see that now we have got the product ID in ascending order for all the products where the date is less than or equal to 16th of August 2019. Okay, now here what we need to do, we will be using a window function here. Okay, so a max of change underscore date. And the reason why we are doing this, because what we need to do, we need to group it by the product ID. For every product ID, we need to find out what is the maximum change date. Maximum change date means the updated change date. Okay, so maximum change date over partition by, okay, and what we will partition it by, we will partition it by the product ID and then order by change date, and that too in descending order. Okay, if I go, and let me give this alias as max underscore date. Okay, let me run this. Now I have got this particular max date. Okay, so if you just see, for all the product ID 1, the max date is 2019 16th, right, and for 2 it is 14th of August 2019, right. So let me store this in a temporary table. So with temp as this, right, and with this what we will do, let me now print the select product ID comma new price comma change date from temp, where the change date is equals to the max date. Okay, which is obviously where this particular max date will be equals to the change date. Only that row I need to take, correct? That what. So if I go ahead and if I run this, you will see I will only get 2 rows now. So now if you just see, I will only now get 2 rows, right? Let me store this one also in a temporary table. So temp2 as this, and let me place a comma here. And now after this, what we will do, after this we only need the product ID and the new price, right? And we will use union function, because whatever is left over, so the ID, the distinct ID which is present in the products table but is not present in the temp2 table, that I will need to union it with the value as 10. So let us do that one. So select the product ID, okay, and then the new price, okay, as let's say it as price from the temp2, correct, from the temp2. And now over here I will use the union, and here I will use select the product ID comma 10 as the value as price. Okay, make sure that the alias is named as same, okay, from the products, okay, where product ID not in select product ID from temp2. Okay, and I guess this will work. This has accepted. Let me submit it. And you see that it has given me a runtime of 497 millisecond and it beats 65%. So this is a pretty efficient solution. So I hope you really enjoyed this session. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.